it is day 4 of us being over here in Spain, and this morning we are, well, I say this morning, it's nearer this afternoon. We had a bit of a lazy start. We've just had breakfast and got ourselves together. We are off to the beach and we're going to look for some kayaks to see if we can do some kayaking. I've got the GoPro with me. I'm leaving the G7X Mark II here, so any footage you see of the beach again will be on the GoPro because I just don't want to risk the other camera getting all sandy and wet. So hopefully you will get some footage of us messing around on kayaks. If not, you'll get to see another lovely beach at least. Been in for a swim, which was really nice, and we're just waiting for the kayaks. It was like a 2-hour wait when we got here, so our names are on the list, and then we're going to go in the water and do some kayaking, which should be fun. I don't know how you brake. Go that way. Ah, sorry! This is the Spanish kayak team. And the English are in the lead. English are taking the lead in the kayak race, but they're closing in. It could be a win for Spain, seeing as one of the English team is doing nothing. Oh no! Viva España! We're back from the beach. I'm just really quickly uploading the footage that I took on the GoPro to my laptop, and I'm going to back it up on the hard drive, and then we're going to have some lunch, and then I think we're still going to go and look at Girona, but I'm not 100% sure, so I'll update you before we leave. Just getting it all on the laptop at the moment. Lots of backing up, and then onto the hard drive, because we don't want to lose any of the footage. No. in Girona. We've stopped on the way back from the village we were staying in to Barcelona, and we're going to have a little wander around. There's some beautiful architecture. You can't probably see a lot behind me at the moment, but some of the buildings were used in Game of Thrones as part of the set. I'm going to flash up on the screen exactly which series and episode it was, because we need to do a little bit more research first. I can't actually tell you at the moment, I'm afraid, but you're going to come along and see some of it with us. We think we've found the steps that we were looking for. There are quite a lot of steps here, and a long skirt really wasn't the best idea. Never mind. This looks a little bit like Meister Posau, a tiny bit. Just signing off for tonight. We've had an amazing time in the Costa Brava, and I hope you've enjoyed the footage from there. Kayaking today was just awesome. Water was so clear. I don't think I saw any fish. Did you see any fish, Ali?
I didn't.
Ali didn't see any either, but it was super clear and really lovely. We then went to Girona, as you've seen, and we are settling down for the night. Tomorrow is our last full day in the city, so we're going to go and do a couple of bits that we need to get done. And then I think we're going to go out for dinner in the evening and possibly finally look for that neighbourhood with all the decorations and everything for you. Hopefully we'll find some. But that is the plan for tomorrow. And then the next day we will be flying home. But for now I will say good night. Much love. See you later.